Hi, Jeepers! Reverend up your Jeep Wrangler. Dive into a world of accessories tailor-made for adventure. Find hottest things to amp up your ride. Whether you crave rugged add-ons for off-road feats or sleek enhancements for city style, these accessories transform your Wrangler into the ultimate expression of Jeep life. From durable gear for tough terrains to stylish mods, there's something for every Wrangler enthusiast. So, ready for a dash of adventure or a touch of style? Please subscribe for even more videos. Picture this, a trailer hitch that's a beefy, reliable friend for your Wrangler. It's a sturdy steel construction, meaning it's built tough to handle a hefty 3,500 pounds of towing. Specifically designed for Jeep Wrangler JK models, it's like a tailor-made suit for your ride, ensuring a snug fit every time with its 2-inch receiver. Now, the best part? Installing this bad boy is as easy as snapping your fingers, no extra tools or engineering degrees required. Just bolt it on and voila! Plus, it's coated in a sleek black finish, not just for style but to battle rust and weather tantrums, ensuring it lasts through all your off-road expeditions and cross-country hauls. Imagine the possibilities. You can hitch up your boat, camping gear, or even a bike rack without a hitch, pun intended. It's like having an extra set of hands, giving you peace of mind while you conquer the road ahead. With this hitch, you're not just towing, you're towing with style and reliability. Imagine Genie for your Wrangler, granting your wish for more space. Trunk is your trunk's best friend, designed to fit Jeep Wrangler JK/JL 4-door hardtops without limits. It organizes your gear and opens up space without any sharp edges. It's heavyweight champion, supporting up to 350 pounds of load with elastic mesh to secure items and soft EVA foam to resist scratches. Made from durable carbon steel, it's easy to install, no hardtop removal required. Installation is simple and easy to do alone. Ready for instant Jeep adventures? It turns out that the world has already invented cool handle covers. Crafted for Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators, these metal covers add a solid, classy touch to your ride. Installing them is as easy as sliding them onto the knobs, no messy glues or tapes required. With an ergonomic design, make adjusting switches a breeze, giving your interior complete makeover. Not only do they add touch of style, but they're also practical, covering existing scratches and protecting your headlight and AC buttons from further damage. Made from high-quality red aluminum alloy, covers scream durability and class. Tired of a messy cup holder ruining your ride vibes? Say no more. These cup holder inserts are the unsung heroes your ride's been missing. Designed to fit the square backseat cup holders like a glove, they're the cup coaster equivalent of a perfect match. But hey, watch out, these gems won't fit the rectangular ones. Crafted from durable rubber, they're washable, keeping your holder spick and span. Not just practical, they add a splash of color to your truck's interior, jazzing it up with style. No more spills during those abrupt stops or hassles while cleaning up. Say goodbye to the juice drama with these cup holder inserts, your driving buddy to a neat and stylish ride. Liven up your ride's console switches. These interior trim covers are the style makeover your car's been longing for. Crafted from top-notch ABS material, they're as tough as nails, resisting rust like a pro. These nifty accessories don't just shine, they make your car look downright swanky. No need to break a sweat with tools, they're adhesive-backed, making installation a breeze. Pro tip, warm them up in chilly weather for an easy-peasy fix. Enjoy a breathtaking ride with minimal effort. How do you like the picture? It's raining outside, but inside of your Wrangler remains an oasis of dryness. And these extensions redirect rainwater from inside the car, gently directing it onto windshield. This means no more unexpected downpours in your car. To use rain gutter extensions effectively for your Jeep Wrangler, follow these steps. Ensure the vehicle's exterior surface, particularly the rain gutter area, is clean and free of dirt or debris. Use a mild cleaning agent to wipe the surface if necessary. Dry it thoroughly before proceeding. Carefully fit the rain gutter extensions onto the rain gutter of your Wrangler. Make sure they align with the edges and contours. Extensions are designed to fit precisely into the existing rain grooves. Utilize the socket installation method provided. Press the extensions firmly into place, allowing the structural bite force and friction to secure them snugly onto the rain gutter. Apply pressure evenly along the extensions to ensure a secure fit. Verify that the extensions are securely attached by gently pulling or nudging them. They should be firmly in place without any wobbling or looseness. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure they effectively guide water toward the windshield and away from passengers and seats. Once installed, check the extensions to ensure they are correctly aligned and effectively diverting rainwater. Extensions delivering not just cool aesthetic but also added functionality to your adventurous buddy. Are you in search of a protector for your Wrangler JL's trunk against messes? Introducing the Cargo Mat. Constructed from durable, odorless rubber, it acts as a shield against wear, corrosion, and year-round untidiness. Its waterproof nature simplifies cleaning, just a swift spray restores its freshness. Simple to set up and take off, it enhances the look while ensuring items stay put. Say hi to a tidier car without the fuss. Introducing the perfect solution for reaching your Jeep's roof hassle-free, folding step foot peg on door. Crafted from premium materials, Step boasts superhero-like qualities, keeping rust and corrosion at bay with its robust metal coating. No need to sweat about installation either, it effortlessly attaches to your car's door hinge without any drilling. Place Step on car door hinge, aligning it properly. Tighten screws to secure it in place. Open the door and unfold the step peg. Ensure it's securely locked into place before putting weight on it. Step onto the foot peg carefully, ensuring your weight is evenly distributed. Make use of the anti-skid design for added safety while climbing. After use, fold the step back up. Picture it as your personal ladder, facilitating easy access to load and unload gear or grab fishing poles. And guess what? It's more than just a step, it doubles as a convenient bottle opener for those outdoor adventures. Enter Garage Storage Hoist, your trusty co-pilot in decluttering chaos and lifting that bulky hardtop high above the floor. Multi-vehicle hardtop compatible lift provides a snug fit on all Jeep Wrangler, Gladiator and Ford Bronco models. Thanks to its patented system, your hardtop gets lifted evenly, allowing you to tuck it away neatly against garage ceiling. That means maximum clearance for your garage floor antics, no more awkward dodging or tiptoeing around. Drive your car right under hoist, secure the load, and presto. In just a few minutes, even a solo act can effortlessly get that hardtop on or off. You don't need strength of a superhero, pulley system works its mechanical magic, turning 15 to 25 pounds of force into an effortless lift. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel hardware and a double-braided rope, Hoist is symbol of durability. And let's not forget smooth operation, those ball-bearing pulleys keep things gliding along like a well-oiled machine. Oh, did we mention it's made right here in good old USA? Your garage makeover just got a patriotic upgrade. Looking for a game changer in your Jeep's armrest storage? Armrest Organizer Tray is the answer. It's an upgraded marvel from its predecessor, ensuring stability by tweaking the design and reshaping the cup holder area. Expand your storage horizons for items like hand cream, keys, or sunglasses. Crafted from premium ABS material, it's tough yet slim, just 2 mm, preserving your armrest's functionality. Smooth surface, no hassle installation, simply slide it in. Upgrade your storage effortlessly, keeping your valuables secure and stylish. Guard your Gladiator sills while adding stylish touch. Door sill guards kit's got your back. Made from durable, flexible black rubber, guards are tough enough to face mud, water, and rough environments without scratch. No worries about tape losing its grip, guards stick strong even in high temps and tough situations. Installation's a breeze, just clean, peel, align, and press. Kit includes front and rear guards for both sides, ensuring a snug fit and shielding your Wrangler from scratches. Rear window storage panel are the perfect gear addition, matching seamlessly with your hardtop or Sky One Touch models. Panels allow you to maximize space, fitting gasket holders and traction boards effortlessly. With no hindrance to your rear door's movement, 2 gasoline packs can sit snugly at the same time. Plus, it's a breeze to install, no drilling or cutting required. Panels ensure secure travel, even through rough terrains or steep trails. Worry about seat wear when getting in and out of car? Search is over. Grip handles, the solution to your daily dilemma. Handles aren't just sturdy, they give you a whole new experience when getting in and out of your car. Picture this, a non-slip handle making your entries and exits smoother, keeping passengers secure on rough trails and bumpy roads. Crafted from durable ABS and weather-resistant canvas, handles are built to last. Installation is a breeze, taking just minutes to securely mount onto all sport bars using adjustable nylon web straps with hook and loop fasteners. Designed for all Jeep Wrangler models, this 4-piece set not only enhances grip but also adds style to your Jeep's interior. Elevate passenger comfort and make vehicle access a breeze with stylish grab handles. Seeking an ingenious method to boost your Wrangler's storage area? Discover Retractable Rear Trunk Security Cover. Isn't just a showstopper with its carbon fiber texture, it's custom designed to fit seamlessly into your trunk, offering a host of benefits. Picture this, it's your ticket to storage convenience, freeing up valuable space while safeguarding your belongings from the damaging rays of the sun. Need a safe haven for your valuables? Hide them under cover for added security and peace of mind, whether you're parked on street or in your own driveway. It's waterproof, elastic, and durable enough to take on toughest of loads without a scratch. Here's best part, no need for drills or damage to your precious car. Cover is fully retractable, just like a window shade, making it a breeze to use and remove whenever you need that extra space. It's a direct snap-on design, no hassle with seat adjustments, just snap it on and you're good to go. Cherry on top? Easy peasy installation with tape attached on back, no specialty tools required. Just align it properly, press brackets evenly, and voila! Explore adventure of assembling a cool off-road SUV model that's a hit for car enthusiasts of all ages. Equipped with an opening trunk, functioning winch, and doors that can be manually opened, model promises realistic and engaging building experience. Packed in a luxurious box with clear instructions. It's ideal gift for kids, teens, and adults, and especially those truck enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.